Today I will be doing a video that will explain the different page templates. So where do we find the page templates? Okay, we find it under page, and then you see the templates here. You click on this little arrow. You'll see a drop down that gives you 4 different choices of how you want your page template to be like. So it can be quite confusing, but let me just go into the details of each of them. Now, the default template is usually the same as the theme, all right? I'm not sure in what situation they're going to be different, but most of the time they will be the same, all right? Unless if you recode from a child theme, you recode a theme, but usually it will still be the same. Okay, so let me just show you, demonstrate to you. For example, let me just give this a title, template page sample. Okay, this is a sample page. Okay, so how is it? Okay, I need to click on this page here, and then I'm back here. So it's under default, right? I'm going to publish it first. Publish it. Okay, and then I'm going to view page. Okay, so when we use the default template, it will appear this way. Okay, you will not be able to edit this title. Okay, let me just get back to the back end to show you. If you want to edit with Elementor, you realize that you can only edit the content and not the title. So the title will show up as it is. Okay. So I usually do not recommend using default templates unless you create your own template, which I'll show you later. Yeah. Okay. If you just want to design one page on its own, you don't have to repeat the design of this page. I recommend that you use this Elementor full width. But before going to that, I will quickly go to Elementor Canvas. Elementor Canvas, okay, and when I change the template, I need to just update it first so that it registers. Elementor Canvas is just going to be a blank page, a blank canvas basically. So whatever, you know, there's no design at all, there's no spacing, it's just going to show up as it is like this. Okay, so it is cool if you want to do a landing page, then this Elementor Canvas will be great because it removes all your header, your footer, and every other pre-designed stuff. Let me just show you. You can still edit the content. Okay, you can do some styling to this content. Let me see. Okay, for example, you can do some padding. Use some padding. Okay, so with this padding, I'm going to update, and then I'm going to show you again how it's going to look. See, so it just appears here. So you may do a brand new design that does not include the header and footer, like a landing page, and then this will be great if you use Elementor Canvas. Okay, so it comes as a blank page, totally blank. Okay. Now, Elementor full width is my favorite, actually, my personal favorite. Wait, I need to update this first. Every time I change the template, I have to update so that it registers. Yeah, I'll go back to edit with Elementor. Why is it my personal favorite? Because it does not show up the title at all. So I can actually bring in my own heading as a title, right? I can just say template sample page. And this is great because this time around I can edit my heading however I want it to be. All right, I don't have to stick to the default heading style. Okay, I can do whatever I want. I can do some padding. Okay, some space is nice. I can style it. Okay, I can change the color. I can do really whatever I want. Okay, and then I update. Here it is. So I literally can design this page whichever I want. So my favorite again is Elementor full width. Okay, so I use Elementor full width when I don't need to repeat the format of that page. Okay, so it's for really a one page, like about us, contact us. It's just that page. I will design it whichever way I want it to be. So I'll use Elementor full width. Okay, but if I want to create a template, okay, let me show you over here. I'll show you. If I want to go to theme builder, okay, I do a single page. I want to add new single page. Okay, new page template, for example. Okay, I'll just name it new page template. I may use these recommended templates. Okay, let's just give an example. Maybe I'll use this insert. So this is how my template will be for that page. Okay, and then I will display condition. I'll add condition. I will only add it to template page sample. Okay, save and close. Okay, so I have created a template especially for a few pages of my website, and one of which today I'm just going to show you that it applies only for one page, which is the template page sample here. Okay, so now I change it to default template. Okay, default template, because I have created a template beforehand already. I created this template. So let's see what happens. Let's update again. And then let's preview. So here it is. So it will take on, now it will take on the, what is this? Okay, this is my content. Yeah, so let's remove, because I created this content previously for the full width look. Yeah, so I'm going to remove this part. Okay, so this is my content. Okay, update. Let's refresh this one. So it takes on the template that I have pre-created. So let's just go back and revise the differences. Now for the default templates, if you did not pre-create a template, it's going to look quite ugly. You cannot change your title, how it's going to look like. Okay, so do not use a default template if you have not pre-created a template and added a condition to include this page. Elementor Canvas is if you need to do up a landing page. Okay, so a page that is going to look very different from the rest of the page. You're just going to design from a blank canvas. Okay, Elementor full width will be if you just want to design from scratch one page. You do not have a template beforehand and you need this one page to look exactly the way you need it to look. Then use Elementor full width. For theme, it usually takes on the default template. Let's check it out. Update. Okay, theme will just take on whatever you do in default template. So theme, there's no difference between theme and default template in most cases. So I hope that my explanation is clear. Please feel free to comment if you have anything you need to clarify on these template differences. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all for today.